Welcome back to Obese to Beast After 40, where we get you as fit as when you were 20, if not fitter. If you haven't checked out the previous videos in this series, please click here, check them out. Today, we cover nutrition. Nutrition is a very vast topic, but I will break it down for you and keep things as simple as possible to get you started on your journey. I will break down this topic into three main parts. The wrong questions you ask yourself, the only thing you need to concentrate on to achieve weight loss success, and my rules you need to follow to achieve weight loss success. I am Dr. Rohan Fonseca, and let's get this started. The number one question clients ask me when they meet me for the first time is, what should I eat to lose weight? This question makes me feel quite uneasy because this question gives me a picture that the client expects there to be one single miracle food which will help him or her lose weight. The next question I get asked quite often is, what is the best diet to lose weight? This question also makes me quite queasy. You see, diet is a noun. It is a habit of what you eat on a daily basis. And the best diet for you is one which is sustainable and enjoyable. Remember, losing weight is just a gateway to better health and fitness. The next question I get asked quite often is, what is the best exercise to lose weight? Let me bust a little bit of a myth over here. You must have heard the saying, getting the physique of your dreams is 70% nutrition and 30% exercise. Well, I don't quite agree with it. It is 100% nutrition and 100% exercise. Exercise is a stimulus you provide your body to change, and nutrition is the fuel. Exercising to lose weight is an exercise in futility, which is a great segue to the meat of our topic today, which is where I will explain to you exactly why. However, I'm going to try to keep it as simple as possible so as not to give you an information overload at this stage of your journey. But I promise to address it in more detail in a future video. So please do subscribe if you haven't subscribed already, and also hit the bell icon. The one and only way you can lose weight is by being in a calorie deficit. These are the laws of physics. You cannot fight it. Do not let anyone convince you otherwise. The faster you accept this mentally, the faster you will get to the results you desire. Let me give you a small overview of how calorie balance works. In this chart is a simple seesaw. If the calories taken in are equal to the calories expended, you will maintain your weight. If you intake more calories than you expend, you will put on weight. If you expend more calories than you intake, you will lose weight. You intake calories simply by ingesting food. And let us now see how you expend calories. These are the ways you expend calories. BMR, NEAT, EAT and TEF. BMR is nothing but your basal metabolic rate. Your basal metabolic rate is very closely connected to your body weight. So the heavier you are, surprise, surprise, the faster your metabolism is. The next way you expend calories is NEAT, non-exercise activity thermogenesis. These are all involuntary movements we do. For example, I'm moving my hands while talking to you. I'm blinking my eyes while I'm looking at you. These are movements I'm not in total control of. These movements constitute NEAT. TF, the thermic effect of food. The food you ingest expends calories in digesting and metabolizing it. This is the thermic effect of food. Which brings us to EAT, exercise activity thermogenesis. These are your calories burned through exercise. I want you to play a very close look to how much space it takes in this pie chart. So now do you understand why you cannot out-exercise a bad nutrition? However, it is a variable you can control. In fact, in the game of energy balance, there are only two variables you can control quite easily. The food you ingest and the exercise you do. Let me give you a small overview on macronutrients. There are four main macronutrients: proteins, carbohydrates, fats and alcohol. Do click here and check out this video. The function of proteins is to build new cells and repair old ones. Carbohydrates are the fuel source of our body. Fats are the building blocks of all the hormones of our body. And alcohol, as you know, we enjoy. Just bear these macronutrients in mind until the next video, where we go through my rules you will need to follow to achieve weight loss success. Please do subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. And until next time, signing out, Dr. Rohan Fonseca.